Connect the AB phase connecting line to the external driver jack. Connect the pulse direction cable to the external driver hole. Connect the power cord to the external drive port. Connect the signal line on the rotating shaft to the phase connection line. Connect the pulse direction connecting wire to the hole of the rotating shaft on the back of the machine. Double-click to open the software. Click on the bitmap file. Select the bitmap file you want to print and click Open. Adjusting the image size to 50 will lock the aspect ratio. Click Apply and then click Place in the center. Depending on the material to be marked, if the material is black, you need to select Invert, Gray, Divergence, Bidirectional Scan, and Drill Mode, and change the drill mode value to 0.3. Click Apply. Change the power to 30 and click Light. After aligning the red light, click Mark.